Hey everyone, I'm Ricky from Tech Talk, and today we're unboxing another great product from Inateck. So let's get into the unboxing. This is a gaming mouse mat, or for keyboard or mouse, the choice is yours what to use it for. So this comes in a slightly different box than what we normally see from Inateck. It's available on Amazon UK and US. So let's get into this. Just open it up there. So as you can see here, we do have a bit of branding. This is a very, very large, one of the largest in the world so far, they're saying. It's actually too long to fit all in camera shot. I'm just going to show you half and half maybe. It's the best idea that I can talk about this. Black in colour, as you can see. We have a tiny bit of branding up here in the top corner, and the size is 900 mils in length, so from end to end, 300 mils in width, so from top to bottom, and 3 mils in thickness here. So you can see the thickness. Has a non-slip rubber base here, and as you can see, it's high quality natural rubber that's on here, and your items won't slip around, or your mat won't slip around with the items on top. So from its size, it will fit a full-size keyboard and mouse, or gaming mouse. The choices are yours, and like I said, it's one of the largest on the market at the moment. So as you can see here, we've got a super smooth fabric which is woven, and it brings comfortable and silky feeling, which means that your mouse will detect every slight movement during gameplay or video editing or photographic editing, and you won't lose a second, which I think is absolutely great. It's comfortable as well, it's easier to put your hands on, and it means that you'll get less stress, and means you can either game for longer or you can actually work for longer. So Inateck said this has a long lifespan, that it will last and last as long as your gaming lasts or your working life lasts, which I think is a great idea here. So I'm going to set this up and use this on my desk, and I will let you know how I get on. As I said, this is from Amazon UK. Here in the UK it costs $6.99, which is a real great bargain price, and it is available in the US as well. The link will be in the description as always. So a massive thank you to Inateck for supplying all these products. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions or queries, make sure to drop a comment down below, and also make sure to go and check out our new website that's up and running as well now, which is techtalkuk.co.uk. The link is in the description. Go and have a look on there, where we have loads of news stories, and let me know what you think. So from me, Ricky, I'll see you very soon. Bye for now.